Hello there, let's do the daily review and bullshit thing happens. Yesterday, we haven't done anything. I should slap myself when I say this because this is now how it should work. I should be finishing the the task which is assigned to me. That's the what the daily review looks like. That's what the daily review purpose is behind of it. But it's not looking good to me, so I have to track it that I haven't done. And you know why I haven't done? Because of the bullshit motherfucking things. I have gone out with my mom for the buying the clothes for her, and that took all whole day, sorry, whole evening. And reasoning I won't be able to do the trading study. I got only 20 minutes in my hand to do
It's
trading study.
1915.
That is what I'm going to type it over here. So it's 19th, and this is a daily review of 6th. Oh my goodness, 6th of May. So task name was lecture 3. Yeah, then lecture 4, and then lecture 5. Today is lecture 6, right? Yeah, exactly. So 3, 4, 5 was scheduled yesterday. I haven't done it. No, I haven't. I didn't because gone out gone out with my mom for shopping. Which I wanna, but I don't wanna. That's why I was like, let's go. When this, I don't wanna talk about this. So solution is just do it today. So start tomorrow. Have I done it? Absolutely not. This is what the daily review looks like. I haven't done this because I haven't done this. I gone out, but when I was in the home, I have done the lecture 3. I think I finished the lecture 3. Oh yeah, we did finish the lecture 3. So lecture 3 is finished. Let me just check it out. Just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We finished the lecture 3. That's what I have done when I came home. So 4 and 5 was scheduled. Actually, lecture 3 was also scheduled, and lecture 3 was got finished. So now 4 and 5 was remaining. So today we have to do 4 and 5 and then 6. It is impossible. I don't know, man, it is possible or not, because right now 7, 9, 7, 16. It takes literally like a 2, 3 hours for doing at least one lecture completely to be pinpoint perfection. It's very hard to do it, but I will make sure it will do it. It will get into it. So I signing off. This was a daily review looks like. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Peace.